Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When the menu button on your Acer monitor stops responding, it can lock you out of essential settings like brightness, input selection, and display adjustments. You press the button, but nothing happens, or the menu won't open at all, which makes it feel like the monitor controls are completely frozen. This issue doesn't always mean the button is physically broken in many cases. It's caused by temporary glitches, stuck controls, or minor internal lag in the monitor's system. Since these buttons control the on-screen display, even a small interruption can stop them from responding properly. The good thing is that you can usually restore functionality without opening the monitor or replacing parts. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix your Acer monitor menu button so it starts working again. Try these. Step 1. Turn the monitor off and unplug it. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to reset it. Step 3. Clean around the menu buttons to remove dust or debris. Step 4. Press each button firmly to check for any stuck controls. Step 5. Disconnect and reconnect the display cable properly. Step 6. Turn the monitor back on and test if the menu opens normally.